Nice, nice, great one, great one. I'm winning in a second. So what's up, people? How you doing? My name is Alex, and as in almost in every video, today we're gonna be trading again. And today, for the initial balance, I'm having on $15. And I honestly believe that almost like all of you may afford this amount of money. So today, hopefully, I will be able to show you how I am profiting from it, alright? So hopefully I'll manage to do it, and looking for that. Before going there, you can do the same by just joining my Telegram private group, which is absolutely free. You just clicking on entering, visiting, and liking it apparently, and the link is gonna be below in the description. Do not forget to leave a like, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel as well, because I'm preparing something new for you. You know, something is gonna be very much creative and extraordinary. Hopefully I'll have enough time to just make that thing come true, right? So indicators that I'm going to be using. First of all, Fractal is going to be there. Then Bollinger Bands, I'm going to be using 2 moving averages, and MACD, of course. Like every time in the video, I'm just setting these indicators up, and you are asking a lot of questions in the comments, like how do you do it, what that background color change do, and everything. So the whole explanation and the clarification I'm providing you in my Telegram private group. Even if you're not just willing to trade, or you're just interested in the settings of this indicator, you can just join, take a look, read about them, or just you know, get the information about them. And that's it. But I bet that it's going to be very much useful for you, and you'll be able to gather some information from that, and you'll be able to use that information, use that knowledge for further goals of yours. I'll stay with that. So what we were having today, Euro and New Zealand dollars, though. There is a possible short-term downward movement, so I believe I'm gonna go all in short. Yeah, entry point is really great, but you know what? I believe that that green candle has some space to move even higher to the level at 1.79272. Which is kind of local resistance level. I truly believe they may raise until that, but after which it will have to just bounce back. Like, anyway. Ooh, nice. Here's a nice decline. Got our 46 payout. I mean $46 of payout. Let me draw a rectangle right here. I'll explain you what it is. So the asset is wide sideways range. The 1.788760, that level acts as a support level. So that's why I'm going just for long. Now the situation right now in front of you is very much easy. The candles, they are just going from border to border, back and forth. You know. Nice, great one. But we were kind of close to losing that. Even though we are having a 72% of payout, let me just increase the amount, and I'm gonna be going for long, guys. Because right now the moving average and the midline of the Bollinger Bands, they just playing as a not as a support, but the price just cannot go below that, and it just rebounces from that. So, and according to the MACD as well, I truly believe that we should be going for long. I'm winning in a second. Great. I was scared. I was damn very much scared. I mean, we just failed to consolidate above the Bollinger Bands and moving average, so let me put 160 right there, and I'm gonna be going for short. great. It may not be the best one as an entry point, as an entry spot, but I assume it will work out. Great. I got scared for a second, to be honest. I was just, watching the candle going down, but I don't know why, but I just stuck there. I was thinking about the next bet and the situations, and let me draw you a parallel that right there. What I see from that drawing, that a downtrend is forming, and I expect a further decline and a breakout. Let me put 200 right there, and of course I'll be going for short. I mean, MACD supports a bearish trend. Going for it. Okay, 348. Oh my god, 384. Why am I mixing this numbers? I don't know. A little too space until I will break it through. So we're bouncing back, so that's why I'm going for long. This is what I was expecting, but honestly I did not think that we're gonna break it through. But at the very first second that we broke it through, it just immediately just bounced back. So what I believe right now, that the candle is gonna be touching the midline of the Bollinger Bands, and maybe we'll start the consolidation above the moving average. So we'll see. But what I'm doing right now, inviting you over to my Telegram private group, because there, guys, during the videos, I may be not that informative, maybe not that talkative. Again, maybe it's up to you. You are the judge. You are the judging. So I'm just providing you very much detailed information in the Telegram private group, so you can indeed you can indeed understand the topics that I'm talking about. You can indeed understand the situations that I'm describing and explaining how to play and how to react. So the link's gonna be in the description below. Do not forget to click on it or tap on it, depends on which device you are. Leave a like, and of course subscribe to the YouTube channel of mine. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.